Hey, are you tired of the headaches of truck ownership? Make a change. It's called a full-service lease, and it's the preferred method of vehicle acquisition and maintenance for successful companies throughout North America. It's also available from Idealease, North America's premier commercial truck lease and rental company. It's really all about vehicle uptime, operational efficiency, and lower costs. You've built your reputation on deliveries that arrive on time every time. That's why Idealease offers industry-leading, fuel-efficient international trucks. Your trucks are expertly spec'd for your unique needs to maximize vehicle uptime and operational efficiency. We get it. Owning and maintaining your own trucks is what you've always done. Idealease changes all of that. We take your transportation challenges off your plate, and we roll all components of truck operations into a predictable monthly cost. Here's how it works. Idealease utilizes its massive purchasing power to acquire your truck. Then we assign a residual that's thousands of dollars more than you'd ever get trading your vehicle into a dealership. Next, Idealease guarantees you predictable maintenance costs for the entire length of our agreement. That means no maintenance surprises ever. Finally, you choose from a comprehensive menu of transportation services like washing, fuel programs, legalization, and substitute vehicles. And Idealease becomes your partner when it comes to safety and regulatory compliance. All this expertise allows you to focus on what's most important to you, your customers. Why do your customers benefit from Idealease? Because our priority service and close relationships with the international truck dealership result in the highest uptime percentages in the industry. Your trucks spend less time in the shop and more time making you money. Do your trucks spend a lot of time away from home? Don't worry. IdealNet, our roadside assistance service, is staffed 24/7 to get your vehicles back on the road with little or no disruption to your business. Need extra vehicles when your business is really rolling? Idealease has you covered with a fleet of more than 10,000 rental vehicles throughout North America. But that's not all. Idealease will help you analyze and right-size your fleet, which can save you some serious money. You're good. It's time to get even better. Call your local Idealease location or visit us online at www.idealease.com.